If you're experiencing the matchmaking error 2026 in Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes the problem may be on their end, and waiting for the servers to come back online can resolve the error. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and may help clear any temporary glitches causing the matchmaking error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can help fix matchmaking issues. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or restarting your router. A poor connection can lead to matchmaking errors, so a stable and fast connection is essential. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, your firewall or antivirus software may block the game from connecting to the servers. Make sure to add Red Dead Redemption 2 to the exceptions list in your firewall and antivirus settings to allow it to connect without interruptions. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error 2026 and get back to enjoying your game. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.